Hi, I'm Jasmine, the brand ambassador for Homes for Students, and welcome to the Maltings. This is our 779-bed accommodation based in Colchester. Known as the UK's oldest town, Colchester is a 40-minute train ride from London and just a 15-minute walk from the University of Essex. Behind us is the reception area, where you'll find our on-site property team, who are always on hand and more than happy to help. We also have an on-site co-op and Pizza Hut, so you'll never have to go hungry. Why don't you take a little look around and then we'll move on to the bedroom. We have several room types available in the Maltings, including studios, apartments and ensuite. This is one of our ensuite bedrooms. It's really bright and spacious and comes with a 3/4 size double bed, a study area, as well as plenty of storage space. Our ensuite bathrooms are great for privacy and mean you can take as long as you like washing your hair and you don't need to worry about anybody else needing to get in. The water, heating, electricity and Wi-Fi are all included in the rent, so there's no need to worry about any hassle with additional bills. This is the kitchen that you will share with flatmates. There's plenty of room for you all to do the cooking together, and it comes with everything you need in a kitchen. There's fridge freezers, hobs, an oven and a microwave. There's also a dining table and lounge area, which is great for eating together, as well as socialising before a night out. The Maltings also has a variety of communal areas, just like this one, which you can use to socialise or study any time of the day or night. There are plenty of charging points for laptops and phones, as well as a games area and even a cinema room. These are great places to meet friends and enjoy yourself outside the university life. Take a look around, then we'll head to the gym. This is the gym, which is completely free to use for residents of the Maltings. It has plenty of weight and cardio machines and is a great place to wind down, relieve stress and take a break from studying while looking after your physical and mental well-being.